Hey guys, I'm Elliott, this is Everything Elliott, and this is a Baume & Light MP360. Now this is a forestry mulcher that is made for tractors. I have a Kubota L4701 which is 47 horse at the crank. So that's probably about, I don't know, 40 to 45 horse at the PTO, something around there. I just got this unit and I'm planning on using it to make some money this summer. Now I got this thing set up. You can obviously see it's on my tractor. All I had to do was get the PTO shaft hooked up. I greased it, put some oil in the gearbox, and we're in business. Now today is not really gonna be a full job. We're just gonna be doing like a little test and tune. I've just got a little area that's got a couple saplings in it, and I wanna see what this thing can do and what improvements we can make. Now I did mention I wanna make another chain guard off the back here. So I kind of want to see what that looks like and how much brush it really throws under the tractor. We'll toss a camera under the tractor and see if we can't destroy that camera. Now that I say that out loud, it doesn't sound like that good of an idea. Now I actually read the instruction manual or the owner's manual for this thing, and it said to, on the first run, the first hour or so you're running it, it says to keep it a couple inches off the ground because the teeth that are on it are razor sharp and are prone to chipping when they're first razor sharp. So we're gonna keep it about maybe 3 or 4 inches off the ground to start with. I don't wanna have to replace teeth already. And it also said to run the machine at about half speed until you get used to it. So in the beginning here, you're gonna notice that, well actually for probably this entire video, you're gonna notice that it's about 4 inches off the ground. And I'm gonna start running it at half speed until I get comfortable with it because this thing is dangerous. Now I just wanna give you guys an idea of what the drum spinning at idle looks like. All right, so the tractor's at idle about 750 RPM and we'll kick the PTO on. Now I'm gonna kick it up to about 1,500 RPM. All right, that's about 1,500 RPM. And I am standing way back. Wow, that thing's ripping. All right, I guess for science, we'll turn it up all the way. That is PTO speed. Wow. Holy cow. I don't even know if you can tell on camera what that looks like. All right, needless to say, I think I'm gonna be running that at about half speed to start because it looks like things could go very wrong very quickly. All right, I got some ear protection, I got some eye protection. We're gonna put my hood up and we're gonna get to it. Now, here's the problem with filming something like this. What I want to film is probably in the bush and it's going to be really difficult to get my camera in there. So I'm going to do the best I can. I don't know what it's going to look like, but we'll try. Forgot my gloves. Got to go get those. All right, back with the gloves. Now we can get to it. It's about, I don't know, 15 degrees outside. Quite chilly. All right, so we're about 1,500 RPM. I'm gonna keep it off the ground a little bit and see what happens here. right, so right where we're about to line up, I got two trees. One of them is probably about, I don't know, 3 inches. The other about 4 to 5. Let's see what happens here. All right, let's go after the big one. We'll rev it up a little bit. Well, I certainly wasn't expecting it to fall forward like that. I thought it would fall backwards, but there are other trees behind it, so it kind of just had nowhere to go. There we go. You could see where that teeth were just eating into it, and then the chips that it was making. So yeah, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 inches. It's a hand wide. I don't know if I'm prepared to slice up a tree yet just by driving over it, just because I don't have that second set of chains under there. I don't want to damage the tractor. So we'll finish this area real quick, see how it does, and go from there. So obviously this wasn't a huge job, but I said that at the beginning. I wanted to see how it does and what happens and how it works. You should always test your equipment before you take it out on a job. And I know I'm gonna have more time to test it at home, but it is February. It is, I don't know, 15, 20 degrees outside. And I don't have anything really in mind right now that I need to mulch, but I wanted to get a good idea about what happens underneath the tractor. And obviously I haven't watched that footage yet. You'll probably know, well, you know before I do right now, because you've seen the under tractor footage. In fact, is my camera even still there? Camera survived, but it did get hit. So that makes me know that we're gonna have to put something underneath that tractor. I have hydraulic filters under there that I don't want to get damaged. So that was the point of this, to see what we need to do under there. And I really won't have a game plan until I watch this camera. Either way, works great. You could have done this with a brush hog, probably, but not that tree, that's for sure. This tree, you couldn't have done that with a brush hog, no way. As I get more confident with it, I'm sure I'll get into bigger, better, badder stuff. But for now, we'll take it easy till we have a good handle on it. That's gonna be it today. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Oh, why am I so bad at this thing? I've been doing this for like 3 years now. Like, subscribe, comment, option D, all of the above. Circle D, do it. D for do it. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.